right turn out for runway 29 schedule.
Okay folks, we got a sunny day. We have possibly good smooth air out there. So we got 4 things to get done today. We got some climb testing to do, stalls, 2,500 foot airspeed, we've already pretty much done that, and an AoA cal if we've got the time. So that's what we're going to try to knock off today, and we'll see what the weather actually is when we get out there. Winds right now are basically calm, 10 miles visibility, altimeter is 3008. Schedule traffic experimental 144 Papa Zulu, takeoff runway 29 to the patterns, schedule. Okay, we'll look clear both ways. We'll take off every inch of runway, and we'll go flying. There's center line, mixture swell rich. Off we go. .2 on the map. There's 70, here we go. Okay, so we're just about 3,500 feet. We've got a nice open area out here in front of the clouds, so I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to sweep around here to the left, come back to the right, and make my basic heading 350 to do my stall testing. And remember, on the stall testing, we're not trimming into it, keeping the mixture rich, and no ailerons once we get close to the stall. And just taking a look out on the ADSB real quick. There is no one out there within 20 miles of us. Bring the throttle back a little bit. Solar altitude, there's 90 knots, slowly decaying. Rudder in to hold the ball. There's 80. There's 70. Wings are still attached, maintaining the airflow. .62. Still attached. And there's drop off at 62. So we'll pick up some speed here, hold the ball steady. 62 looks like it's our number. Okay, VSI is good. Altimeter is climbing, we're at 87 knots. Left wing started just a slight drop off. Not by much, but just a slight drop off. Okay, since we're up here, we're going to do the AoA cal. Okay, so it says to stay on this screen while doing the AoA. Set up a fast cruise condition for the aircraft at an altitude and position that is suitable to perform stalls. Oscillate the aircraft between +5 and -5 4 times. Okay, so we'll pick up a little bit of pace here. And then it says perform one stall in the aircraft and recover fully to normal flight. After the stall is complete, press stall. That's what we'll do. We're at 3,200 feet right now. We'll come up a little bit higher. Come back up to 35. The purpose of this is to find the highest angle of attack the wing is able to achieve. Because this number can change as the aircraft configure changes, so you may want to perform more than one stall. We'll just leave it at one. If you wish to do stalls in multiple configurations, let's reconfigure. We won't do that. So, we'll stay on this screen. We'll set up a fast cruise. So we'll pick up the pace just a little bit. Set up said fast cruise. We're at 3,500 feet. Okay, +5, -5. And -5. There's 4 plus or minus 5 degrees. Next step, we're on step 4. Perform one stall in the aircraft and recover fully to normal flight. Start slowing ourselves down here. Up to Rich. There's 80. There, we got a rudder in. There's 72. There's 61. Coming up. There's power. There's 90 knots. Got good VSI, good airspeed climb up. We hit the stall button. Hit and stall. Hit save. And we'll exit. Okay. Got our angle attack in. Got that accomplished today too. Good. Schedule chart 4 Papa Zulu is turning final runway 22, schedule full stop. Red over white. And will they be able to stop? We shall see. Yeah. Fort Papa Zulu is clear, runway 22, schedule.
Schedule traffic, Cessna 7394 Alpha is departing runway 22. Going out to the northwest.
And we logged to 1.1, and there's Susan waiting for us. Ah, what a good day.
engine, monitor.